Hi, I'm Barker Herman with StarTree. ThirdEye automatically detects anomalies in real-time data, but what good is that if we don't know about them? Let's look at how to create notifications. We'll need to tell ThirdEye the who, the how, and the how often for our new notifications. Over in Configuration, we'll start by creating a new subscription group. In the Group Details tab, we'll give it a name, then specify the how often using either cron syntax or a simple user interface that lets you specify the days of the week plus the hour or minute the notifications should be sent out. Next, we'll need to tell it the who and the how. That's an email, a Slack channel, or a webhook to be invoked for the notification. On the Alerts and Dimensions tab, you can specify which alerts you want to be notified on, and narrow down the notification to the particular dimensions if you want. Now, we not only have alerts, we have notifications too.